Hey writers, it's Camp Nano. So we have an opportunity to set our own goals and hit our own accomplishments this month for NaNoWriMo. So what I'm saying is that you are busy and you can't get everything done. Why not set a goal that you can achieve?
I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to set my goal for Camp Nano.
Dr. K, the healthy gamer, recently, and he said the reason we fail is that every time we set a goal, we move the goalpost. We, instead of going, hey, you know what? I succeeded in this, we change it.
And then we move the goalpost. We say that we're going to do something else. So we say we're going to write, we write, and then we kick ourselves for not writing every day.
So I wrote today. Yay, we wrote today. Fantastic. Oh no, it's, why don't I write every day? I feel good. I feel better when I write. I feel like myself. Why don't I write every day? And I beat myself up. Well, this is the key to succeeding at Camp Nano. Stick with me.
Is I want to join Camp Nano. I'm going to call this Commitment to Not Quit. I am writing in progress. Public, I'm working on a novel, Camp Nano, on to your goal. I am not going to write 50,000 words. Now, you can only do word goals. The word goals, right? So how many weeks are in April? 4 weeks. Dead on 4 weeks. I'm going to write 4 times, once a week. So my word count, right, is write 4 times. Go into details. Now I did write this week. I wrote in my bookshop. I'm going to say that I wrote once, and I was moderately happy with it. It was in the office, well, actually it was in the bookshop, and I was writing on a computer actually, and it was about 11 a.m. to about 12:15, let's say. I was interrupted, but we'll get to that. That is how I'm going to handle Camp Nano. Let me know in the comments how you want to. You don't have to do it like me. But remember, when you're setting those goals, don't move the goalposts on yourself. So what happens when I write more than I am envisioning? Because I've written 4 times this week, so yay! So I've achieved the goal. I can unlock my badges, but then I can add a new project. So you go to your projects, Camp Nano. One of the things I'd like to do this month is I'd like to work on a short story, so I can create a new goal for my short story. I want to write a short story by the end of the month associated with events. NaNoWriMo 2023, it should be 3,000 is my word limit. So I think the minimum I'm going to say is 1,000. You can also add to my, if I go back to projects, I can add to my novel.
Why I'm hanging out in this bookshop, check out this video here, and what is happening right now in my life and why I'm spending my free time in this bookshop. See you there.